Welcome back, guys, for another video. As you guys see in front of me, Tesla is making some new all-time highs after hours. Leave a like on the video, guys. That really helps with this channel, and I'm just amazed. I took a small L this morning on Tesla. You're possibly thinking you're an idiot. How do you take a loss on a stock that's making all-time highs after hours? I was dip buying it here in the morning, and I just didn't want to get caught up in a dip, so I just cut my loss, and it's coming from its recent high. So I'm like, you know what, it's probably gonna dip, and then immediately reversed, had some resistance around the $540 mark, and it managed to break out. And not only that, it held that previous resistance as support midday, and it just not look back. It's making highs after hours, and I don't know, man, this is getting close to the whole number. I'm possibly thinking it could possibly spike to 600. If you ask me, the hype and the momentum behind this stock is insane, especially the other stocks that are propping up due to Tesla running, which are xpev, which we were scalping today, day trading it. Nothing crazy on the profits or gains on this one. I just found it enjoyable to day trade something. xpev, for example, we're watching it from yesterday, buying around the $67 mark and selling into the spike, as well as Neo, which we almost broke even on this one. Nothing crazy. I don't want to hold anything overnight. Apple is the one I'm holding overnight, only 5 shares, however, and we're almost at our break-even price around here, around 115.80. Actually, I think we did hit the break-even price, but I'm just swing trading it. I'm playing this one off the 4-hour, guys. I'm waiting for a spike to 120. If not, we retest the $113 mark. Nothing crazy. I'll cut my loss. Stocks that I did leave some profit on the table. Nothing too crazy on the profits. Again, but we sold right around the 127 or the $271 mark on Facebook, and its highs are around 277. This one could possibly hit 280s on the 4-hour. Based on the 4-hour, just looking at the spike, it can retest that 280 resistance it had. What is this? Early November. So we'll see on Facebook if we hop right back in. Which one's the other one that we sold way too early as well? Microsoft, we sold into the 212 spike, hit 214 highs. Another one that slipped by my fingers towards the end of the day that had this crazy push was Alibaba towards the 280. This one played out exactly how we said it would. That resistance, that previous support actually here at 280, pulls back. I cut my loss here as soon as it started breaking down. I didn't have the patience. I go according to my plan, and you guys know it immediately reversed, pulled back, bounced off the 4-hour, and here it is again, retesting that previous support. Now it's acting as resistance. Is it going to break past 280 and hopefully retest that SMA around the 289, or are we going to pull back and find some support around the $270 mark? We'll see. The Dow hit 30K today, guys, so we'll see if hopefully if that momentum carries on into tomorrow. SPYs is also retesting its highs right around the $366 mark. Can we see a 370 push? We'll see for tomorrow. Which one's my other stock that I'm almost going to pull the trigger on is Peloton, PTON. Excuse me. We're waiting for a dip. Hopefully we get a dip sub 100 tomorrow. I'm immediately going to buy because I'm playing it off right here, off the support or higher lows. Higher low at 91, higher low at 96, and hopefully that $100 mark holds as support, which is it being the whole number, and it bounces, and hopefully we could get a play to possibly from 100 to 103, 105. That's decent. I'll take it. If not, if it keeps dipping, I'll probably just cut my loss in half and wait to see if it bounces off the $97 mark. So one that has been sleeping lately, that I've been sleeping on, is Nicolai. I don't plan to touch this stock at all. I mean, it's up almost 18% today. I just love how it had this morning spike in accordance to Neo, xpev, Tesla, the whole overall EV sector. I'll just throw this one in here on my watch list. I still have it on my watch list, but it's one that I possibly won't even touch. You guys may be familiar with the cannabis tickers as well, running yesterday after hours. This one, ACB, is finding some decent support around $9 mark, and this one's keeping it on my back burner. Maybe we could possibly see some movement towards the 10, 11 and start gaining some momentum, as well as SNDL. Watching all these tickers. If SNDL dips right around to 24 cents again, I might reconsider taking another position like we did a couple weeks ago. But other than that, that's pretty much it for my watch list, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, again, make sure you leave a big like, subscribe to the channel, and check out the free link down below, which takes you to our free chat room. Excited for Tesla, but isn't it a bad thing if it pumps too fast too soon? Let's see what it's at right now. Still making its new highs after hours, 262. I mean, overall, it's just a lot of FOMO chasing, if you ask me. That's why I'm not comfortable swinging anything too crazy on Tesla. share wise, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to be scalping this. So that's just my approach, my take. Once again, guys, I'll see you guys in the channel tomorrow. Thank you.